that was yesterday, the last day of school, and today is the first day of summer vacation. Hi, I'm Mike. This is Mackenzie and Grace.
And Lincoln's behind you.
And Lincoln is behind me. And today, the kids wanted to show you how their summer vacation is going to shape up right here on the ranch.
You mean start out?
Shape up, start out. Their chores, what they need to do on a daily basis, and how it helps them grow as little people. Does it help you grow?
Yeah.
You sure?
I'm sure.
It's all coming up today on our Wyoming Life. Welcome back, and thanks for taking some time out of your day to hang out with us. It really does mean a lot, not only to me, but to everybody who finds this channel thanks to you watching it. You can help others find us, of course, by watching and sharing, but also by hitting that like button and subscribing. In fact, I'll pause right here while you do just that. Just hit that little thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you get notified when new videos come out. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. And it's true that by you liking and subscribing to our channel, you're helping others that want to watch the same type of videos find us. And there's no way that we can thank you enough for that. It's with your help that we can help other people explore the ranch life and escape the ordinary. Now, there are a few things that make me feel incredibly lucky, and the biggest thing, and right there at the top of that list, is my family. And one of the greatest rewards for me is being able to share a lifestyle that many dream of, but very few get to actually live. I know I didn't as a kid. But our kids get an opportunity to learn and experience in a way that I think is so different that it can't not be good. Can't not be good. I think that makes sense. Both Erin and I decided long ago that our kids we brought up on the ranch, obviously. And living here comes with chores. The younger kids get away with less, but Mackenzie has now moved from second grade into third grade. And she has wants, and she has needs, and she has goals, and some of those she has to earn. So this summer, she's taken the lead on a number of new projects for her. And today, she wanted to take you, along with my help, along with her as she takes care of her morning chores. And usually, in tow, is her younger sister and her brother. In fact, here they come right now.
Let's start making some bottles.
First thing on today's agenda is moving the bottle calves back out of the barn and into the outside corrals. The worst of the weather is behind us. We do have some rain on the way, but we'll deal with that later. But now we just want to get them out of the barn and outside. The quickest and the fastest way to get that done is with feeding.
Try not to spill.
And this morning, as we make some bottles, we're going to use those to move the calves. Over the past few weeks, Mackenzie has really taken ownership of our bottle calves. She has been out to feed them every morning, usually before school, and every night before bed. Now, with summer vacation, we just step it up a notch. And with bottles made, it's now time to move the calves.
Now we have the bottles. Now we just have to feed the calves, but first we got to move them out here. From the barn into this corral. Let's go get them.
We are going to open this gate. Maybe.
It's jammed because of the rain that we've been having.
First thing to do inside the barn is to close any escape routes, and this big red door is a big one. And then it's time to set the calves free, where Mackenzie quickly learns how pushy a calf can be.
You tripped me. Come get it. Come get it. Rudolph, we got your bottle. Rudolph, you want this? You want it?
And while Mackenzie distracts Rudolph, Grace heads in to get Jelly Bean, who follows along like a good little calf. But it's not long before Mackenzie herself is in trouble.
Guys, I'm in a little bit of trouble. Rudolph's bottle is empty and he wants more milk. Ow! Rudolph! Ah! I'm in trouble!
But that's a problem that's easily solved with just another bottle. And with the calves moved back outside, it's time for the kids to move on to their next project.
Our next chore will be to take care of the chicks and don't forget about the ducks. My dad built this log and go because we put the baby chickens in the chicken coop. Then they knocked down a light and a fire started. So my dad thought we might have somewhere safer for the chicks. So he built this little chicken coop for chicks. These are our chicks so far. They're growing feathers on their wings. Their down is growing out. Their feet have sharp talons to grab food. Yeah, and when they hatch, there's an egg tooth that helps them crack out of the shell. So these are the ducks. They're getting big, really big. Their beak is longer and rounded, and the chicks are short and pointed. They still have lots of down. Yeah, I don't see any feathers yet. We usually have to feed them. We put in some food.
Not only do they have to refill their food, they also have to wash, clean, and sanitize their water every single day. While they do that and refill the water, it's up to Lincoln to keep an eye on all the chickens and make sure there's no escapees.
Now our next chore is to go get eggs from the big chickens from the big chicken coop. Let's go.
Eggs are the one thing that the kids have been doing on the ranch for the last couple of years. And recently, they've actually taken over the egg business and have been selling eggs to put money in their own pocket. That has been a good thing. We've had a lot less broken eggs since they figured out that each one means a few extra cents for them. And it's Mackenzie who washes and packages the eggs. Today, she's using the little egg scrubber, a great tool to quickly wash eggs with as little disturbance as possible. I'll put a link in the description and you can check it out for yourselves. Taking care of the egg business has been a great way to show the kids how the ranch produces and the importance of farm fresh products. It also gives them a sense of ownership and something they can really be proud of, as most of our neighbors know, when Mackenzie calls and lets them know that they need eggs.
This, and we put in the date. It's May 25th, right? So people can know when we washed it and collected it. Now we go put it in the fridge till somebody buys it.
So that's the end of morning chores for these two. Lincoln gave up on us and ran away somewhere. But do you guys like doing chores out here on the ranch?
Especially with the calves.
Especially with the calves. What do you think is the best part about doing the chores?
Making bottles for the calves.
Making bottles for the calves. And I'm going to ask you a really hard question. Okay, this is a grown-up question. What do you think that you learn by doing chores?
To learn how to do some chores.
how to do the chores?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think you learn responsibility? And do you think that you learn how to save some money because you get paid from your eggs, right?
Yeah.
How much money do you make from your eggs?
We get 25 cents.
25 cents for a dozen eggs. And you put that money away. What are you saving up for? What are you saving up for?
A hoverboard.
You want a hoverboard? All right. And Grace, do you like doing the chores too? Of course you do. She's just a lot more quiet. Thanks for coming along with us today as we took the kids out. First day of summer vacation.
Yay!
And got them here and doing some chores.
And playing with Rudolph.
We have chores to do this afternoon too, don't we?
Yeah.
We have to feed the cows again. We have to feed the calves again. Because they're always hungry, right?
Gotta make them their fort.
And we're gonna make them a little bit of a shelter today. We're gonna do that too, so that they can get in.
So they can get out of the rain, the snow, and the sun.
Yep, exactly. We're gonna do that a little bit later on today. But that's it for us today. Thanks for hanging out with us. Be sure to check out our website. It's www.ourwylife.com. You can learn about everything that we do through social media and to further the cause of agriculture. So check out the website. Also be sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like what you see. How can you not hit the like button when you see that cute little face? All right, guys, thanks for hanging out with us once again. We'll see you next time on Our Wyoming Life.